Alright, YouTubers, put some more Pam on there, and I'm trying something different. Something different. Let me get this up to heat. Alright, not quite there yet. I got it on high. That is a cast iron griddle plate. I think a thrift store find. What we have here is this is London broil. It was in my freezer. Still good. I cut it in half so it would fit on this. Been wanting to do this on a campfire, but it's too winter. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a shot. I marinated it in steak seasoning and sriracha. I think I can get them both to fit. No, not really. I'll do one at a time in 2 minutes. 2 minutes on each side. Okay. Minutes on there. Then it's going to go into the NuWave Mini. Okay, that's it. Ooh, looks good. Okay. Two minutes for that too. Yum. Glove comes in handy. Call that done. Get this out of the way. We'll be right back. Plug the NuWave in. Goes on 350. We'll do 3 minutes aside. I got shrooms I'm gonna chop up. Look at this little cleaver. I think that was a thrift store thing that happened to be in the RV, so I figure what the hell, I'll play with it. He's already cleaned up. Everything's so cramped. Copper Chef. And go the mushrooms. More shrooms. This little cleaver, at least I got it sharp. Mainly using it for the joke that it is. I saw it in there and I said, alright, let's give YouTubers something to laugh about. I said at the beginning, hopefully, because it was 3 minutes ago, I can't remember. It was 2 minutes ago, I can't remember. These have all been cleaned and ready to cook. So we got a little sear on the outside, and they should still be pretty rare when we're said and done. Away we go. Alright, so those of you that watch my videos sometimes, my cooking ones, you know what's coming next. Broccoli. And we just nucleate this in the Pampered Chef steamer. And that's all she wrote. I like the trees. Favorite vegetable. Throw some water in there and they'll get nucleated. So that's done. Meat needs time to rest. So while that's resting, we will get the induction back out and we'll get the shrooms on there. Some olive oil. Some garlic powder, and we will let those cook. Hopefully they cook fast, right? Right. I think my mushrooms are done. Just about. Maybe a little bit more for me. And again, I got stuff piled everywhere. Some I eat right here. Eat standing up. I don't know if that's weird. I do it sometimes. But I'll give these another minute or so, and then I will show you the plating and the tasting. I have to move this NuWave Mini. Get the plate ready. Here we go. Let's get this ready. There's the plate. And there we go. The trees, the shrooms, the London. Let's taste it. All right, let's try it again because I think my GoPro might have froze up. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is nice. It's medium rare. I think my my GoPro might have froze up. I don't know if it was recording. I kind of vowed not to show any more London broils, but I figured this way was a little different with the searing it and then cooking in the NuWave Mini, showing that, yeah, you can still cook in the winter inside. It brings me to a point. A lot of people will go, oh, your RV smells like food. You shouldn't cook in there. I like food. I think food smells really good. And as long as you're not cooking fish, which for me isn't a problem because I don't eat it, but as long as you're not cooking fish in an RV, your RV smells great with a little food in it. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. I still think London broils are a great cut, and broccoli is awesome. Got to eat the tree, and a nice medium rare. Well, that's flyover. Hope you enjoyed. You can cook this stuff in your RV in the winter, and you'll have a great and wonderful day. And marinating it in sriracha and steak seasoning works really well for me. If you did notice, I used a plastic bag, which I've kind of tried to say I wasn't going to do very much. I'm going to try to cut that back just because, you know, you get watching the environmental stuff where all the plastic everywhere. And I figure it's not going to kill me not to use plastic bags for everything. So I can just use bowls most of the time. But I have a couple boxes of Ziplocs on hand, so I'm not just going to throw them away. So until then, I'll use them up. But then after that, I'll try to find a little bit better way to do it. I hope the flyovers were enjoyable and that this great meal looks like something you can easily do in your own RV, and that you have a great and wonderful day. Yum.